everyone, and welcome back to Sew Aldo, your sewing tutorial destination that is easy and most of all, free. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. Today is the third episode of Dressmaking 101. Yay! Round of applause. Round of applause. So anyway, today is the third episode of Dressmaking 101 and we are going to learn how to thread a sewing machine. So if you are excited about that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I will know that you like this Dressmaking 101 series and I can keep it going. You can just give a 1 second and hit likes. That will help me tremendously. Okay, now let's thread the sewing machine.
First, let's thread the upper part. This is very easy. We are just going to follow the thread guides, just like following the yellow brick road. When you get to this part, be sure that the thread is in between the discs. You should turn the thread take-up lever so you can easily feed the thread through. You can slowly turn the wheel towards you. Just follow the arrow, bring down the thread, then slide the thread behind this hook, and there is one more down here. Then thread the needle eye and put the tail at the back so it's out of the way. If you are enjoying this series, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, alright? Once you get used to this, it becomes a second nature to you. So this is going to be pretty easy if you keep on practicing. Now it's time to thread the lower part, which is the bobbin. To release the bobbin case, pull out this handle and take out the bobbin case. This is how I easily remember how to put the bobbin in the bobbin case the correct way. Be sure that the tail is on the left of the bobbin. Then I hold the bobbin case like this. The hook is always resting on my ring finger. Put the bobbin in, slide the thread in this notch, then slide it under this piece, and you are done. Look, if I flip this handle tightly, it locks in the bobbin and it doesn't fall off. Now it's time to place the bobbin case in the shuttle hook. Be sure that it is in this position that looks like a backward C, and then the hook should be pointing straight up. Now that the bobbin case is secure, it's time to pick up the lower thread. To pick up the bobbin thread, just turn the wheel towards you a couple of times while you are holding on to the upper thread. Once you see the bobbin thread is on the top, just use a pair of scissors to catch it. Then place the threads at the back like this so it is out of the way, and that is super easy, my friends. Don't forget hit likes if you are enjoying this video. Thank you in advance. In case you have a newer type of sewing machine that doesn't require a bobbin case, it is very simple. All you have to do is remove this plate. If you look closely, there is a thread guide illustration on the actual plate. To place the bobbin, be sure that the tail is on the left side. Then follow the yellow brick road, the thread guides. At the end of the thread guide, there is a thread cutter. Then put the plate back on, and no need to pick up the thread. The sewing machine will do that automatically. Yay! Now it's time to learn how to work the bobbin winder. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. I'm not a beginner, but I tend to struggle with the bobbin winder on my sewing machine, especially the one on my Bernina. Oh my goodness, it is a pain. And then you are just going to manually wind the bobbin. No, just kidding. Okay, now for real. So you are just going to manually wind the tail of the thread so the bobbin will have a head start. Some sewing machine has a thread cutter right next to the bobbin winder as well, but I don't have it on this sewing machine. Then I am going to slide the bobbin towards the disc, and I'm going to step on the pedal, and I'm ready to go. And like I said earlier, if you don't get it the first time, just keep on practicing. There's a reason why there is a saying, practice makes perfect. And then last thing is you are going to test it out, making sure that you thread your sewing machine correctly. As you can see here, the upper thread is loose, so I need to adjust the tension. I tested out a few more times until I got it to the right settings that I wanted it to be, and it's in between 5 and 4. One thing I like about vintage sewing machines that are made out of metal, it sounded super nice. After I test out the thread tension, I am satisfied. This is also a great way to use those small fabric scraps. Some sewing machine will have an automatic tension adjuster just like this one on my Juki.
Hey guys, that's all there is to it. I told you it is super easy, no need to be intimidated by it. And now that we learned how to thread the sewing machine correctly, the next project is going to be how to sew a straight line and a curved line. We will talk about that in the next episode, so be sure that you subscribe and give this a thumbs up so YouTube will recommend my videos to viewers like you. If you have any more questions about the topic today, just pop them in the comments down below and I will try my best to answer your question as soon as I can. I have like over 300 sewing videos here on YouTube. I'm going to have them right here so you can go ahead and check them out. Thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!